Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how I turned the upper part of my homemade grow tent into a simple germination area for seeds and seedlings. It's small, easy to set up and perfect for starting plants with hydroponics. The things you need are grow lights, a mini greenhouse, rockwool cubes, seeds and water. Step 1 is to soak the rockwool cubes until they're fully wet. This makes sure the seeds have enough water to start growing. I'm using tap water here in Norway and it works fine. If you're unsure about the chlorine in your tap water, you can use bottled water instead. Today I'm going to plant California Wonder bell pepper seeds. I only want to grow one plant, but I'm germinating 2 seeds just to make sure that at least one of them sprouts. Here are the crisp lettuce seeds. They're pelleted with natural clay, which makes them much easier to handle and plant. I really like using these pelleted seeds because they fit perfectly into the small holes in the rockwool cubes. We add a little water to the bottom of the greenhouse tray to make sure the rockwool cubes stay moist. We put a few rockwool cubes back because we only want to germinate 4 lettuce plants now. In about 2 to 3 weeks we'll start 2 more, so we always have fresh lettuce ready for our family. We put the lid on and close the air vent. We set a timer so the grow light is on from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. After one day, the inside of the mini greenhouse is nice and moist. By the next day, you can already see the lettuce seeds starting to sprout. Now we open the air vent slightly. Four days after planting, we added a little water. Our lettuce is growing fast. Tiny green leaves are appearing. After 6 days, some of the lettuce seedlings have grown roots through the rockwool cubes, and they are starting to develop their first true leaves. That means that they are ready to be planted into a hydroponics system. So we put them into our NFT channels with nutrient solution. On day 11, 1 bell pepper seed sprouted. With lights on, it's about 27 degrees. And at night it drops to around 22-23. That's perfect for germination. I've also got a few boxes where I'm testing seed germination, and they have sprouted nicely. It's been a week since we planted the lettuce in the system, and they're already looking great. I said earlier that we'd wait 2 to 3 weeks to plant 2 new lettuce seeds, but we were too excited, so we planted them now, after just 1 week. If you want to see how this bell pepper turns out, remember to like and subscribe.